can drink coffee and go to sleep, no problem.
That sounds like somebody I know.
So 6 coffee, right? Okay. So here you can have a smell.
Is this just coffee grounds? Oh, that's just the coffee grounds, okay.
Coffee I smell too, not just lemon.
I know.
Right. Is it a specific one or it doesn't matter?
Yeah, this one is Robusta. We use Robusta. Robusta is the most prevalent coffee bean in Vietnam. But the Homo Arabica is more popular, right? Robusta is stronger in flavor and also contain more caffeine. For Arabica, the caffeine is around 0.7 to 1.5%. This one is 1.5 to 3.5%. So it's stronger. Yeah, and the egg coffee was invented by a Hanoian man, Mr. Zhang. Mr. Zhang, G-I-A-N-G. He has a coffee shop near here. You can also go to that try. So Mr. Zhang, in 1940s, he worked as a bartender in a 5-star hotel in Hanoi, a luxury hotel. And at that time, coffee was brought to Vietnam by the French. They came here and they brought the coffee here for us to grow. And the coffee is very bitter, right? So people want to use it with the condensed milk to balance the bitterness of the coffee. But at that time, Vietnamese, we were very poor. Fresh milk was very scarce. So Mr. Zhang came up with an idea of using egg and sugar, 2 common ingredients in our kitchen, to replace the condensed milk. That's how it started.
Okay.
And actually he already passed away, but his sons inherited his coffee shop and opened another one. Like now they have 2 branches in Hanoi, very near here. So for this one we use the filter to make the coffee. For 6 people, we need 3 whipping spoons of the coffee. Can you do that for me? In here. 3 whipping spoons. Bigger.
Full.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Super.
Yeah.
One.
That one is like 2.
Two. Okay, I try to do it less.
3.
Three.
Very, very strong.
I like coffee very much.
Yeah, then you should try Vietnamese coffee.
It's an addition.
It's very nice.
Have you had an egg coffee yet?
No.
They just
So
arrived.
good. I know, it's so good. It's so good, yeah.
So for the water, we'll pour 2 times. The first time just a little bit to wake up the coffee and for it to bloom. So the second time when we pour the water, it will drip faster. Okay. Can you pour it for me? Just a little bit. Okay. Maybe we need a bit more because we have quite some coffee. It will take some time for the first pour to drip. It will drip very slowly. Yeah. So, a bit more.
Okay.
So it starts.
Please drip.
Nothing going.
Yeah, because we have quite some coffee here, so it takes time. Have you ever tried the filter coffee like this?
No.
Like drip it?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah? Have you? In the coffee shop?
We have it in California like
it
this.
started
Yeah.
dripping.
Yes.
Very slow.
Yes, nice.
There's
So now we can pour the second time till full.
So you wait until it starts and then
Yeah.
keep going on. Okay.
So things like that, they have at home and they
A bit
make it
more.
like this.
Okay.
No, they don't make like this. They make it with the.
Okay.
They have a machine that condenses it.
Okay, this is amazing. When you use, now I'll set it aside for it to drip.
Full pressure on the water.
get this iced tea process.
Will we have it hot or iced?
It's hot.
It's hot? Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And now we're going to make the egg cream. So for the egg cream, we use the yolk only. For 6 people, we need 6 egg yolk. The egg yolk will be in here. The egg whites can go in here.
No pressure, right? Oh, jeez.
Oh, that's a fake brown egg.
What's the deal with these spills?
Okay,
Am I spilling all over?
Yes. I just need one of these and then it will be better.
How many are there?
That is 2 right now.
Now free.
Now 3.
Saved it.
Egg yolk, 1 heaping spoon of sugar, half a spoon of honey, and we'll add a little pinch of the salt here.
So we need 6 and 3.
Yeah, 6, 3, and a little. Okay.
Before it jigged. We're putting it in here?
I'm
Yeah.
trying not
Okay.
to do too much.
Heaping?
Heaping.
Problem of having-
5, 6.
Teaspoon. You can do the salt.
Which is the hardest one because you don't know exactly how much.
I'm good with little bit.
And if it's not good, we blame you.
With my hand?
Yeah,
Okay, I just clean it.
just a little pinch.
That's
Six.
okay. Maybe a little more.
Not 6 like that?
That is good. Okay.
Now it's perfect.
So for this one, we need to whisk it for 5 minutes, and we want to enjoy it right after we whisk it. So we will just put it here for now. Now we're going to fry the spring roll. Now we're going to decorate the spring roll. You can use the fairy light.
We eat all the spring roll.
Oh, you can dip it in there for 1 second, right? 5 seconds.
Yeah, the sauce here.
You know, you get used to it.
You can come over here.
Maybe not one.
So we
It's
need
work.
1
It's
spoon
work.
of garlic
It's work, you know.
It is not good for
and a little
Exactly,
bit of
exactly, yeah. No, I like it. I've been doing it for a number of years now.